teachers gave feedback to us pupils has changed.
Perhaps by now you have noticed that you won't see a page full of red pen.
The reason for that is that Ysgol Henry Richard strive to give live and purposeful feedback to us pupils in order to help us make further progress.
Opportunities are given within lessons for us to discuss work, considering what is good as well as how to improve.
Staff now use highlighters. Pink perffaith, or perfect pink, is used for identifying work that is good and has met the success criteria, and a yellow highlighter, melyn meddwl, for specific pieces that need improvement.
We have time to revisit the yellow in order to make corrections and improvements.
Teachers use the highlighters within lessons to ensure live feedback. This is much more effective than expecting us to look back at feedback when the teacher has marked the work.
In addition to this, visualizers are used across the school. This is a way of modelling, showing examples of perfect pink and discussing the yellow sections in order to make improvements.
These discussions are extremely powerful for us all to make progress.
We use the green pens to revisit the yellow in order to improve on certain parts of our work.
It's possible that you will see more green than red in the books by now, as we pupils respond to live feedback.
Sometimes teachers use the whole class feedback technique, sometimes in the books and sometimes on the classroom wall. This technique enables them to share the good practices of perfect pink and the common mistakes in the yellow.
In practical lessons, there are moments of foot on the brake in order to self-reflect on progress and consider how to make further improvements.
Following this, there are TFI sessions, which are task feedback improvement. Sessions that allow everyone to revisit a specific skill that is relevant to them due to the whole class feedback. For example, work on misconceptions, to improve work, to practice skills, or even to complete extended tasks.
Special praise is given for progress, and gwaith gwych walls are used across the school.
We have regular retrieval opportunities in order to practice and strengthen the memory. This goes hand in hand with the feedback as teachers consider which aspect we need to practice.
As you can see, education is changing and probably very different to how it was when you were at school.
Ysgol Henry Richard aim to ensure that teaching and learning is as rich as possible, so that all of us make progress to the best of our ability.